we can get new review gadget videos in this gadget channel. The video that will be shown now in electronics gadget, there is another super gadget, Hobot window cleaning gadget and balance bike. Number 1, Hobot window cleaning robot. Hobot is window cleaning robot carrying the new patent ultrasonic water spray nozzle that can nebulize water to 15 mist, then spray is everly on the glass like the effect of human accent of the glass. Benefit from vacuum motor inside to spray design, cleaning wheel and magnific cloth. Hobot can fitly mop or window surface indoor and outdoor the polish the diode away while the skin is DC power jack design can avoid losing power. The UPS power system can provide the robot for off the window even keep the device of 20 minutes if the power could in disconnect. Future mode, Hobot has all technology used to drawing human interesting for a high charging performance. We are not quite in the just not robot housekeeper and yacht, but there are of a host of house cleaning robot out there that can automatic some of you must retain clothes, and if you do not do window, the Hobot 189 windows cleaning robot may be able to help you. I received have a clean to test out of the Hobot 189 in my house to see how it works. Number 2, balance bike in VR. Balance enable you to ride your bike in beautiful terrain for the comfort of your house with your VR device or computer screen. With my background in hardware and software system design, together with a team of engineer and designer, we are confirmed to make balance to reality with the highest quality possible. VR has opened up various way for us to experience reality bike through different virtual environment for the comfort of your living room. With a quick setup, balance lets up various accords, various team as you and outdoors. Wheel bike can be a refresh fish activity. It also come with safety rack